It is important to choose a suitable laundry course for your clothes in order to finish the laundry well. For lightly soiled items weighing less than 2 kilograms that you want to wash quickly, use no more than 20 grams of detergent or 20 milliliters of liquid detergent to avoid residue. Use for everyday items, such as underwear and shirts. This program washes the laundry at a low temperature and allows you to obtain the best washing results with low energy consumption. Low temperature eco-bubble cycle helps reduce power consumption. Featuring additional rinses and reduced spinning to ensure that the laundry is washed gently and rinsed thoroughly. For bedspreads, bedsheets, bedding covers, etc. Wash only one type of bedding and make sure the load weighs less than 2 kilograms for the best results. Cotton dry is for general drying, while synthetics dry is a low temp cycle for heat-sensitive garments. This course is useful for removing bad odors. Removes unpleasant smells from your jacket. Freshen up your bedding using hot air. For blouses or shirts that are made of polyester Deolin, Trevira, polyamide Purion, nylon or the like. Coarse tore cottons, bed linens, table linens, underwear, towels or shirts. The washing time and the rinse count are automatically adjusted according to the load. For sensitive fabrics such as rayon, viscose and synthetics blended fibre, please use liquid detergent for the best performance. Featuring an additional rinse process after applying fabric softener to the laundry. Specific for machine washable wool for loads weighing less than 2 kilograms. The wool cycle features gentle cradling and soaking to protect the wool fibers from shrinkage. Cleans the drum by removing dirt and bacteria from the drum. Perform once every 40 washes with no detergent or bleach applied. Make sure the drum is empty and do not use any cleaning agents for cleaning the drum.